Sound check.
Growing up, I played a lot of soccer. I can still remember soccer practice being one of the highlights of my week, with the other highlight being the Saturday game played against another team. I played for the mighty Lismore Thistles, and we were mighty because we won the regional age group trophy more than once. Funny thing is, back then I couldn't have told you what separated us from our competition. Sure, we had some really good players, and the team was basically made up of a collection of boys who all went to the same school, but I don't think it was just that we loved to play soccer that made us an unbeatable team, because I'm sure that the other kids in the other teams loved the game just as much as we did. No, now that I look back, I can see the wisdom of our coach at play. You see, if we had have had it our way, we would have arrived at our weekly practice and simply played soccer. In our infinite childhood wisdom, we would have skipped the ball skill drills and the general fitness activities and cut straight to the fun stuff, playing the game. But our coach knew better. He knew that if we wanted to improve at the game and win a few matches, we needed to develop the necessary skills that we would need come game day. And it will come as no surprise to you to hear me say that singing is no different. If all you do is sing more songs, hoping that your singing will improve, I think you'll be sorely disappointed. Sure, you might get lucky and kick a few goals along the way, but ultimately your progress will be slow and possibly haphazard. Whereas, if you take the time to practice your technical skills, developing the various aspects of your singing, such as breath, pitch, alignment, and tone, you'll begin to notice a steady improvement in your singing over time. Now, I will admit to you, my most favourite time of soccer practice was the final 20 minutes when our coach would allow us to play a game amongst ourselves. Ultimately, all of those ball dribbling skills needed to be applied into a game, and I'm sure for most singers that the favourite part of their practice will be singing songs. But I want to encourage you to not skip the important part of your practice. Continue to work on your technique, and your voice will improve. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.